Alright, quick update on OGN. So as of the time of recording this, we've had a harsh dump out of this asymmetrical triangle. We broke below your 618 and we have now come down to my stop loss. So I have been stopped out of my trade on OGN. If you are new to this channel, we did get into OGN down here at 33 cent when these EMA ribbons flipped. We took some profit when we came up to 80 cent. We pulled over, you know, we had a 2x trade at this point. That was 50% of my profits we pulled at 80 cent, and then obviously we've come down since then as I have been stopped out of my trade. The remaining 50% of my OGN trade was stopped out in a 26% profit. So collectively, some very nice gains on our last OGN trade. However, we are coming down as of the time of recording this and we're sweeping the floor. On the daily, we're pushing into a bearish momentum shift. If we come down to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see this blue horizontal ray marks the previous lows that we've got, and while we're temporarily above them at the moment, we did slip below them, you know, within this hourly candle. We are getting a lot of selling volume coming in for OGN. I do have a few other updates to record, so I will make this one quick, but yeah, it's not looking good for OGN. It looks like we're having a breakdown. I just recorded a total market overview video where I talk about why your altcoins are breaking down, why Bitcoin is breaking down, because Bitcoin's following the dollar, which is following, Bitcoin is following the stock market, which is following the dollar. The stock market is looking terrible, the dollar's looking very strong. I would definitely recommend watching my final video update today. If you are only invested in crypto and you don't pay attention to the stock market, it can be eye-opening to see what is going on in the stock market, and basically this is why we see OGN dropping right now. So in the macro term, we're still in a huge downtrend. It looks like we've solidified these two regions right here as lower highs. We've got another lower high here. We're breaking down, so yeah, like I said, we've taken out my stop loss already. If we do just completely reverse at this point and mug me off after stopping me out of my trade, so be it. I'm happy to walk away with a profit on this, but yeah, as we are having a momentum shift, as we are moving below your EMA ribbons, and as the 4-hourly EMAs have recently fired bearish, as you have broken out of this asymmetrical triangle, back tested it as resistance, back tested the 4-hourly EMAs as resistance, it looks like we're heading down in my opinion. So I would imagine that the 786 is underway and move down to 38 cent for OGN. That is all I've got for you today. As always, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion on the market, and as always, cowboy out. Peace.